stop this, I will brutal you.
Do you hear that?
Get from your house.
Mommy, Mimi. Wait.
If a hint of this video makes its way out, you know I will find you.
Has he identified himself?
No, not even a follow-up text message. He's been silent for days, and I'm terrified because I don't know what's coming next.
I really don't think it is Joe. I believe I gave him a good shake the last time. He wouldn't dare.
Just go straight to the point and just tell me what this is about. Do I know you?
Well, maybe you do, maybe you don't. You don't trust anyone. As for my motive, money, of course.
Everybody hustle.
Isn't that something, Queen? Really need to do something. I've got to do something.
You shall tell no one if you value your reputation. If you comport, you would realize that I'm a fair man.
I can't call Grace into this again. I don't even trust anyone. Sophie. Yes. I have no choice.
Hello, Shee.
Oh, Sophie, are you alone?
Yes, I am. Anything wrong?
I can't talk on the phone. We need to meet.
Okay, I'll call Skido. You can join us at my house.
No, please. Don't call anyone. If possible, let's meet outside. Somewhere discreet.
Whoa. Shee, are you alright? This is rather peculiar.
No, Sophie, I'm not. The walls of my life are crumbling down before my very eyes.
Oh, come on, take heart. Don't say that, my sister. Let's meet at the cathedral. Yeah, I'll be there in 10 minutes, okay?
That's fine, but please remember not to tell a soul, okay?
I hear you. Alright. All the best then. Later.
These are the keys.
We're sorry, your call cannot be completed as dialed.
But this is the key.
Oh, thank you, Nick. We should be doing this all the time.
I'm all yours. But were you serious about my moving in?
Would you?
I'll do anything for you. I've got muscles.
Do you work out?
All the time.
Hey, my son. Kofi, what's wrong?
Why have you been? And why does my key doesn't fit? You are not picking my numerous calls too.
Your key? Kofi, calm down. I went jogging with Nick and my phone is in the house. As for your key, well, that key is officially useless.
What?
Nick figured we needed a stronger lock, one that cannot be easily broken into. So he got a new one and changed it.
What? I mean, somebody else has the key to my own house and I don't?
Don't be dramatic. You should rather be grateful. There is a key for you too. Nick, please open the door.
It's good, Sarah. See the sea. Oh my God. You are welcome.
Thank you, Sophie.
Ah. Yeah, so, can you identify the guy that brought the pictures?
Yes, I can.
Ah.
But I'm sure he's not the same person who called. They have very different voices.
Holy Jesus. You know, Skido reported of Joe, but apparently he's scared to his wits. Yeah, and he promised he never showed the videos to anybody.
I'm sure the one who called is not Joe either.
Oh.
Osofo.
Yes, my sister.
He's very menacing. Look, I've come across hard men, but something about his voice just sends shivers down my spine.
Ooh, shivers. Shivers. Oh, Shee. Take a look over there. And take a look behind you. Come on. And look down there. Just do it. Under your feet. What do you see? We are covered by Christ. Oh, goodness. There is no need to be afraid, my sister.
No, Osofo, should I just pay him off?
Pay what? No. Yentia. No. Do not be afraid, my sister. Do not be moved. I have been interceding for you in many ways. But there's something you would have to do for me.
Anything?
Let's take a walk. Hush. Ladies first, they say. After you, my lady. Oh, glory. Shee. You would have to go home and rest. You need some rest. Yeah. For this one too shall pass. The Bible says, and it came to pass. For all shall pass, yes. You've been heard.
Hey, what's up, baby?
Nick, what are you doing here?
You know, it's been a while since we were out. Good, so I thought I'll surprise you with a date.
What?
Yeah. Look, I have the whole evening planned out, with every movement a bit more intense than the last.
You don't say.
I say, pa. You follow my lead. Sorry.
Okay, so where are we going?
You be patient, okay? Be patient.
Yeah, hello.
Osofo, I'm here.
Yeah, I can see you. Yes, look straight ahead. Yeah. Yeah, have the security guys around too.
Seen you.
Okay.
I had fun tonight.
Likewise. You made my date, no, scratch that. You made my night by forgiving me.
Are you home yet?
Nah, not yet. I had a few errands I just completed. Shouldn't you be in bed?
Well, I tried, but I can't sleep. I sort of miss you.
And I miss you too. Hey, do you want me to come over?
Can you?
Anything for my baby. I have a key. See you in 15 minutes.
So I'll be waiting.
Where is he?
Yeah. You know, something doesn't look right.
You think he's onto us?
No, don't worry. We'll worry about that later. Yeah, the place doesn't look safe.
Oh no.
Yeah, I want you to do something. Just move the car. Yeah, just move out. I want to see their reaction.
Okay, thank you.
Somebody enter Kolo. That's all. Make her enter Kolo.
Pass me the palm wine.
Somebody enter Kolo. See everybody. Make you hold somebody. Drink and jolly. Tell me how you feeling. Is it sexual healing? Or you feeling irate? This what we dey do before we do the show. Make you move your body where the music they go. Polo.
Somebody enter Kolo.
And you let me see.
Make I enter, make I go ahead. And if you know they feel my matter, Charlie, make you go away. I no get time where I just go on through away. So make a boss a lyric, we go enter into your head. Kumbaya, on more fire. And I'll make the beat just take you higher. VVIP ever inspire. And you know, say Senadi never expire. Miss Kolo. Yeah, baby. Miss Kolo.
Somebody enter.
Palm wine. Sit. Young crab. Time to start now and just not follow. Time to go deep and not be shallow.